Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video I'm about to show you how to use NordVPN completely for free. So let's just begin. So first of all, as you can see, I'm on this site where we can simply head over to NordVPN, and I typed in my search bar, as you can see, nordvpn.com, and you need to be doing this as well. Once you type NordVPN onto your search bar, then we need to simply head over to the very first link which says NordVPN, the best VPN service online, and this is what we need. Now once we jump onto that, you can see it's going to be directing us to this particular link. So here we got a couple of options. Now you can see on two different places we have get NordVPN option, we have that in here, and on top right you can see we have NordVPN also highlighted here in purple circle, as you can see. So pretty easy to get started. Now let's just click on any of these options. Make sure that you have your Gmail already set up. You can see we have the plans showing up in here, and we can simply get started with any of these, and they do also have free trial and free plan. So how do you actually use it is going to be, so here what we need to do is simply click on this login option, and let's just quickly do that. Once we are onto the login section, just wait for a couple of moments. We're going to be signing in using our Gmail account, so I'm going to be doing that really quickly and continue with my Gmail and confirm everything, and boom, you will be basically logged into your account. You can see it is saying to create an account, and we have all these options showing up. So let's just click on create account and hold on a bit. So it is gonna be loading. So yeah, that's how you can start using NordVPN completely for free. And also you can subscribe to our channel, by the way, because uh, we are going to be providing you 70% off on NordVPN if you simply download using the link below. You can see we have our NordVPN account up and running. So you can see on the left side we have all these options. We have downloads, we have available plans and billing and everything. So yeah, super easy. You can open your NordVPN, you can get started and start your journey. So that's how easy it is. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.